इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस। मुझे वहाँ ले चलो। टेक मी देयर। टेक मी देयर। क्या आप वहाँ जाने के लिए तैयार हैं? आर यू रेडी टू गो देयर? आर यू रेडी टू गो देयर? जल्दी से तैयार हो जाओ। गेट रेडी सून। गेट रेडी सून। मेरे पास समय नहीं है। आई डोंट हैव टाइम। आई डोंट हैव टाइम। क्या तुम उसे जानते हो? डू यू नो हिम? डू यू नो हिम? तुम किस शहर से हो? विच सिटी आर यू फ्रॉम? विच सिटी आर यू फ्रॉम? अपना कंप्यूटर बंद ना करें। डोंट टर्न ऑफ योर कंप्यूटर। डोंट टर्न ऑफ योर कंप्यूटर। क्या पढ़ना है? What to read? What to read? इसे दिल पर मत लो। Don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart. क्या यह मेरे लिए है? Is it for me? Is it for me? वहाँ कितने लोग हैं? How many people are there? How many people are there? कृपया फोन मत काटना। Please don't hang up the phone. Please don't hang up the phone. उसके पास कार नहीं थी। She didn't have a car. She didn't have a car. मुझे तुम्हारी मदद की जरूरत है। I need your help. I need your help. तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? खाना परोस दो। Serve the food. Serve the food. यह नंबर किसका है? Whose number is this? Whose number is this? मासूम मत बनो। Don't be innocent. Don't be innocent. यह तुम्हारी गलती नहीं थी। It was not your fault. It was not your fault. ज्यादा दिखावा मत करो। Don't show off too much. Don't show off too much. मैं आपसे कुछ कह रहा हूं। I am telling you something. I am telling you something. क्या आपके पास उसका नंबर है? Do you have his number? Do you have his number? तुमने उसे क्या बताया? What did you tell her? What did you tell her? क्या आप वहां हैं? Are you there? Are you there? अब किसकी बारी है? Whose turn is it now? Whose turn is it now? मैं इसके बारे में विचार करूंगा। I will think about it. I will think about it. यह मेरी घड़ी है। This is my watch. This is my watch. मुझे तुम पर गर्व है। I am proud of you. I am proud of you. रांची में मौसम कैसा है? How is the weather in Ranchi? How is the weather in Ranchi? वह मेरे सामने खड़ा था। He was standing in front of me. He was standing in front of me. अपना हाथ धो लो. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. क्या मैं उसका नाम जान सकता हूं? May I know her name? May I know her name? यह तुम्हारा नहीं है. This is not yours. This is not yours. मैं डरा हुआ था. I was scared. I was scared. वह आपका इंतजार कर रहा है. He is waiting for you. He is waiting for you. पैसे किसके पास है? Who has the money? Who has the money? अपने दोस्तों से बात करो. Talk to your friends. Talk to your friends. मेरे बारे में सोचो. Think about me. Think about me. यहां मत उतरो. Don't get off here. Don't get off here. यहां से चले जाओ. Go away from here. Go away from here. क्या तुम उसे पहचानते हो? Do you recognize him? Do you recognize him? तुम वापस कब आ रहे हो? When are you coming back? When are you coming back? क्या आप यहां काम करना चाहेंगे? Would you like to work here? Would you like to work here? वह मेरे बगल में रहता है. He lives next to me. He lives next to me. मैं तुमसे लंबा हूं. I am taller than you. I am taller than you. आपको घर साफ करना है. You have to clean the house. You have to clean the house. डरो मत, मैं कुछ नहीं करूंगा. Don't be scared. I will do nothing. Don't be scared. I will do nothing. और कुछ चाहिए तुम्हें? Do you want anything else? Do you want anything else? क्या तुमने कुछ कहा? Did you say something? Did you say something? मैं जनवरी में पैदा हुआ था. I was born in January. I was born in January. वह मेरे सामने खड़ी है. She is standing in front of me. She is standing in front of me. वह मेरे बगल में खड़ा है. He is standing next to me. He is standing next to me. मुझे और पास से देखने दो. Let me take a closer look. Let me take a closer look. यह टेबल पुरानी है. This table is old. This table is old. तुम्हारे पिताजी की उम्र कितनी है? How old is your father? How old is your father? वह अमेरिका में पढ़ाई करेगा. He will study in America. He will study in America. वहां कितने लोग हैं? How many people are there? How many people are there? अपने जूते निकाल लो. Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. फालतू बात मत करो. Don't talk nonsense. डोंट टॉक नॉनसेंस। वहां कुछ नहीं था। देयर वॉज नथिंग। देयर वॉज नथिंग। जाने की जरूरत नहीं है। देयर इज नो नीड टू गो। देयर इज नो नीड टू गो। तुम्हारा जन्मदिन कब है? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? क्या आप घर जाना चाहेंगे? Would you like to go home? Would you like to go home? हम अपना रास्ता भूल गए हैं। We have lost our way. We have lost our way. मैं उससे पूछना भूल गया। I forgot to ask him. I forgot to ask him. क्या आप मेरी बात सुन रहे हो? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? ये तुम्हारे लिए मेरा प्यार है। This is my love for you. This is my love for you. मुझे भूतों से बहुत डर लगता है। I am very afraid of ghosts. I am very afraid of ghosts. उसे डॉक्टर को दिखाना है। He has to see the doctor. He has to see the doctor. क्या तुम बीमार हो गए हो? Have you been sick? Have you been sick? मैं तुम्हें ऐसे नहीं देख सकता। I can't see you like this. I can't see you like this. मुझे कैसे पता होगा? How would I know? How would I know? तुम वहां क्यों छिप रहे हो? Why are you hiding there? Why are you hiding there? आपकी पढ़ाई कैसी चल रही है? How is your studies going? How is your studies going? कभी किसी पर मत हंसना। Never laugh at anyone. Never laugh at anyone. उस पर काम कर रहे हैं। Working on it. Working on it. मामला गंभीर हो चुका है। The matter has become serious. The matter has become serious. तुम दफ्तर कैसे जाते हो? How do you go to office? How do you go to office? तुम्हारे पास कितना पैसा है? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? क्या तुम्हारे पास कुछ था? Did you have something? Did you have something? मैं तुम्हारे सामने खड़ा था। I was standing in front of you. I was standing in front of you. आप यहां कब से हैं? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? मेरे पास कोई विकल्प नहीं है। I don't have any option. I don't have any option. मुझे हमेशा व्यस्त रहना पसंद है। I like to be busy all the time. I like to be busy all the time. आपके पास कितने हैं? How many do you have? How many do you have? क्या आप राजेश से बात कर रहे हैं? Are you talking to Rajesh? Are you talking to Rajesh? तुमने उसे जाने क्यों दिया? Why did you let him go? वाई डिड यू लेट हिम गो? क्या आपने रोहन को कहीं देखा है? हैव यू सीन रोहन एनीवेयर? हैव यू सीन रोहन एनीवेयर? मैं उसे 5 महीने से जानता हूं। आई हैव नोन हर फॉर 5 months. I have known her for 5 months. अपनी सलाह अपने पास ही रखो। Keep your advice to yourself. Keep your advice to yourself. आपको सब कुछ संभालना होगा। You have to handle everything. You have to handle everything. वहां जाने का कोई फायदा नहीं है। It's no use to go there. It's no use to go there. मुझे कहीं जाने का मन कर रहा है। I feel like going somewhere. I feel like going somewhere. वहां अभी कितने लोग हैं? How many people are there now? How many people are there now? आप किस लिए आए हैं? What have you come for? What have you come for? उन्हें मेरी तरफ से नमस्कार कहना। Give him my regards. Give him my regards. क्या आपको मुझसे जलन होती है? Are you jealous of me? Are you jealous of me? वह एक सुंदर लड़की थी। She was a beautiful girl. She was a beautiful girl. इस परेशानी का हल निकालो। Find out the solution of this problem. Find out the solution of this problem. अपनी कार यहां खड़ा मत करो। Don't park your car here. Don't park your car here. तुम किस बात के लिए दुखी हो? What are you sad for? What are you sad for? आपका एक अच्छा परिवार है। You have a good family. You have a good family. मैंने नेहा से बात की है। I have talked with Neha. I have talked with Neha. काश वह मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड होता। I wish he was my boyfriend. I wish he was my boyfriend. क्या तुम्हारे पास पैसे नहीं हैं? Don't you have money? Don't you have money? लेकिन आपने जवाब नहीं दिया। But you didn't answer. But you didn't answer. क्या आप काम करना चाहेंगे? Would you like to work? Would you like to work? आप जल्द ही ठीक हो जाओगे। You will be fine soon. You will be fine soon. मैं इस फोटो में नहीं हूं। I am not there in this photograph. I am not there in this photograph. मैं उसे बहुत पहले से जानता हूं। I have known him for a long time. I have known him for a long time.